Hello and welcome to my channel. So I have a bunch of leftover padding scraps. I was about to throw them away, but don't throw them away because we can use them to make wristlets. So I have here fabric. I also left the edging on. It's fine, it will be hidden, but it is 4 inches by 14 inches. I ironed it in the middle, and then I ironed here, and then like that. So I'm just taking a piece of padding. You can use interfacing if you have, but I think this is like perfect project to use scraps. So I am literally just like puzzling pieces together here. Let's fold it in here like that and that, and that's just snap it together, sides together. I have these things. You have to put it on before you start sewing, so let's put it in the middle here. The sides, you have to open up the sides. Put the right sides together. Put the right sides together. And sew it here all together. Like that. You can press it with iron, but I don't think it's needed. And try to get this back in there. And literally just swinging it. Here, doing a couple more clips, and now just sew this side together, and then sew the other side, and then I'll see you back. So here it is, both sides are sewn together, so now you can hold this part wherever is the most convenient to you, and then I'll keep it on top of here. And now sew here across. Threads and you're ready. How cute. And it took only like less than 5 minutes. But that's the perfect way to use the scraps what I have here. So I'll be going to make a lot of wristbands. And if you wanna come back and see what else I'm going to make and do, please like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye!